Hi everyone, in this video I am sharing few lines about World Environment Day. World Environment Day comes on 5th June every year. First World Environment Day was celebrated in 1974. World Environment Day is also known as Eco Day and its official name is UN World Environment Day. Every year, the day is celebrated with a new theme which gets adapted by various organizations all over the world. Theme of World Environment Day 2021 is Ecosystem Restoration. Ecosystem restoration means assisting in the recovery of ecosystems that have been degraded or destroyed, as well as conserving the ecosystems that are still intact. Every year, World Environment Day is hosted by a different country. This year's host is Pakistan. This day raises awareness about the environmental issues like global warming, marine pollution, human overpopulation, protection of wildlife, and sustainable consumption. This day focuses on encouraging awareness and action for the protection of our environment. Everyone should understand their responsibility to protect and conserve the environment, not only this day but every day. According to Leo Tolstoy, one of the first conditions of the happiness is that the link between man and nature should not be broken. I hope you like these lines. If yes, then please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.